dog. Me woulda dip and make you feel it. Come in, I know what you believe in.
So see my boy run out to the back, you know, I've a certain name and I'm cooking, right? You see that?
But no trust in a man.
Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Now for any video the videos that I'm posting today, right? I'm just gonna go in my Instagram DM basically and just pick a random video and pick. I don't know 2 or 3 of them today. Random videos in my DM. You understand Instagram there? Because I know say people say my things in a DM. I check DMs and every time and trust me, when I know I say I can't do a new arts or upcoming that's every day. You understand me? See that I try grow channel, so I have to grow channel and still give back. So right now, we're going to boom and jump on my DM. Anybody think me see first? Jump on them and why? Why? Anyways, error. So let's jump in the DMs and just react to some song from my DM. So the first one I have is called Third Eye. It's an official video. I think he's from Trinidad. I didn't get much information, but it called Man and the man with MatureAndNatural. As I said, Third Eye. Official music video reaction, people. So you don't know, say we finna step to this real quick. You see me? This video I think is at like I don't remember how much views it there, but we finna react to this video real quick. Link to the original video will be down below in the description of my video. But you know, so reaction boss, anything lit over here, so no. So comment on the video, see your comment next video that I post. Yes, people, we're going to go for a second. Red tune, give me a listen right now.
Yo, what on?
Up and going, brother.
Man.
That's up me.
Frank.
Yeah,
Man.
Oh, you drop off that first this man and all that.
Yeah, man.
That's one like Jamaican, sir. Yo, what go on? There, man. Blah, blah, blah. So like a Jamaican, man.
Young did by that time, man.
Your brother is safe, man.
Right?
See me?
Your brother is safe, man. A Jamaican, them, man, be. Now go on.
Yeah.
Video by. Is that official? What? Go on. Now, I'm not passing.
Meds man hold still, you know. You see some man them call themselves brother
Yeah.
and friend.
Yeah.
Cause some man I carry feelings. Say that them are your brother, but them not mean.
Oh God, for real. Facts. Some man I carry feelings. So them my brother, but them not mean. So some man them just jealous. Them grudge you for your things where you are going with. Because them grudge you. Feelings them I carry. Go on.
I never rate you, dog. Me woulda dip and make you feel it.
Yeah.
Come in, I know what you believe in. But the most I come and him reveal it. So me never put my trust in a man.
Never put my trust in a man. Yeah.
Yeah, me have to keep my guards up. Cause friend of me bring energy, so me no want touch.
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel your thing on up. Slap on in at the end.
So I think you teach some of the house and go through the back door. Hold on, them want to see something. Hold on, something play out a while ago, I never get you now. Hold on, look on the video.
If me
Watch
never
the
rate
video.
you, dog, me woulda dip and make you feel it. Come in, I know what you believe in.
So see my boy run out to the back, you know, I've a certain name and I'm cooking, right? You see that?
Put no trust in a man. Yeah, me have to keep my guards up. Cause friend of me bring energy, so me no want touch.
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel your thing on up.
Yeah.
So burn in at the head, the fire pins start up, so watch your friend, you know. All who not clapping you a win.
Jano.
No for them envy you, spray you from beginning. Cause some man I carry feelings. Say that them are your brother, but them not mean. If me never rate you, dog, me woulda dip and make you feel it. Come in, I know what you believe in. But the most I come and him reveal it. So
Yeah.
never put my trust in a man. Put my trust in a man.
Yo, dog.
Yo,
Bro, don't watch no face, you know.
what do you mean?
The man them take all of the food, them dog. The police, them dog. The man them going with everything. I don't have nothing right now. I don't know who tell the man them about that move there. The man them going with everything, dog. You see me? Right now, everything gone. I mean, know what to do right now, dog. Just link me if anything I go link you, see me, right?
Right now, eh?
What? After the man have the product in the bag, right? The sound. Bumbuckle belt, dog. friend. Go on.
Cause anytime me crush out, me have to watch me head back. Don't fuck for them woulda love say man drop.
Yeah.
Man drop. Me wish them did get the contract.
Yeah.
Feel look them in them face with time me make the thing clap.
Yeah.
Up and gunning. What go on? What you say? Clean food? Forward now.
Brother,
Up and gunning. What go on, Bachachi?
cool, man. You know, I just get a phone call the police. Them come and go on with my food, brother. Yeah.
You lie.
Yeah, man.
Don't watch none, man.
When you see what go on right now, you might come try to sell the product to the man Link. Watch what go on. Watch what go on.
Yeah, something funny, man.
Respect, man. Yeah, man.
Don't know cool yet. Bonus, please.
Yeah, me have to keep my guards up. Cause friend of me bring energy, so me no one touch.
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel your thing guards up. Slap on in the head, the fire pins start up, so watch your
Freddy,
friend
no.
All who not clap when you a win. No for them envy, all spray you for me. Watch your friend, no for them envy, all spray you for me. Watch your friend, never put my trust in a man.
The man could have bombed on him ends a while ago, people. And he make him go on. He do the right thing. Make him go on. Make him learn from his mistake. But rate that one day. Next video in the DM says, me and say it's been a boy tight. I am out. Go and check out the artist's original songs down below in the description of my video. You can go read for yourself. Next song on the see me, I'm out.